So when we expand this time, we've kind of put all of our rules together. And so the easiest way to go about doing this is kind of like piecewise is the way I like to think of it. So for the first one, I want to write everything with exponents. So I notice I've got a cube root, so I'm going to go ahead and I want to rewrite this. So this would be log base b, and then I would have x to the fourth, and then I'm going to have y, and it's going to be to the 1/3 power. So now that helps me for how I need to write everything. So once I've got that, now this is multiplication. So in multiplication, little x sign, you kind of turn it and it looks like a plus sign. So this becomes log base b of x to the fourth plus log base b of y to the 1/3. Now we're not quite finished yet because I notice I still got exponents hanging out, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of show you with my circles. I'm going to bring those out in front for each one of them. And it's only in front related to the current log you're talking about. So this would become 4 log base b of x plus 1/3 log base b of y. Now we can't do anything else with that, so that's actually going to be your final answer. So what I suggest you do is you pause the video, check out trying to do the second one all by yourself, and then come back and I'll walk you through it. Welcome back. Remember, the first thing we want to do, just like if you're mimicking what I did in the previous one, is you want to create exponents. So this would be log base 5 of x to the 1/2 over 25y cubed. Now, it's a division, so that means it's going to be subtraction. So I'm afraid I'm going to run out of room, so I'm going to kind of come a little farther on the left this time. So this is going to be log base 5 of x to the 1/2 minus log base 5 of 25y cubed. Okay, so we've done that. Now, oh my goodness, I've got another multiplication. I've got this 25 times y cubed. So I'm going to have to do another step. So I'm going to get log base 5 x to the 1/2 minus, now make sure you're real careful with these minuses. I'm going to put a parenthesis the first time I do it. So I'm going to get log base 5 of 25 plus log base 5 of y cubed. Now, ultimately, you do need to distribute that negative throughout, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you that with another color. So this would become negative right here, and it would kind of go away, and then I'm going to put a minus here, and then that would go away. So now I have exponents on two of them, so I'm going to need to bring those exponents out in front. So this would be 1/2 log base 5 of x minus, now this is a log of base 5, that's 25. So 5 to what power is 25? Well, that's 2. And now I've got plus, the 3 comes out in front, so I've got 3 log base 5 of y. Are we done yet? Yes, because there's no other exponents or anything else that we can simplify, so this is your final answer.